committed promoters of the proposed Chartered Institute of Forensic and Investigative Auditors in Nigeria, CIFIA, it is my singular honor and privilege to be given this rare opportunity to make this presentation to the Senate Committee on Establishment and Public Service, conveying our support for the passage of the Chartered Institute of Forensic and Investigative Auditors in Nigeria Bill 2018. Due to want of time and for the purpose of brevity, I have narrowed down this presentation into the following parts. Background to the bill and CIFIA in Nigeria. Forensic and investigative auditors represent a global paradigm shift from traditional auditing practice to skillful deployment of science and technology tools to prevent, detect, and resolve financial fraud or expose possible criminal activity concealed in financial accounts. This is a profound genre of anti-fraud professionals whose academic background cut across accounting, law, criminology, cybersecurity, banking, police, detectives. Forensic auditing integrates investigative skill in order to resolve or expose, conceal, or suspected financial fraud. And the emergence of forensic and investigative auditing in the global scene was based on the realization that fraudsters have gone sophisticated and in some instances taking advantage of the 21 digital revolution to perpetrate that which was undetectable by conventional or traditional auditing. Like Chinua Achebe's Aneke, the bird who learned to fly without perching because the hunters were shooting without missing. Corporate organizations in Europe introduced forensic and investigative auditing as the best approach to the new phase of financial crime. Today, a global network of forensic and investigative auditors has crystallized, known as the Association of Forensic and Investigative Auditors, with its headquarters in Canada. That is the name we bear in Canada. Today, this professional body has affiliates in the United States and Indonesia, etc. Important point to note. I wish to also bring to the notice of this distinguished Senate that accounting profession has so many branches with different responsibilities. Each of these branches has professional bodies regulating their activities. For instance, financial accounting for preparation of financial statements regulated by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria and Association of National Accountants of Nigeria. Taxation for the preparation of income statement for tax purposes regulated by Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria. Now, auditing, which has no professional body regulating it, giving the opportunity for financial accountants to claim autonomy, and as a matter of fact, leads to their inability to control and prevent fraud, corruption, and other financial crimes. This calls for a passage of this bill to create a professional body to regulate this special area of accounting and enhances transparency in advance audit. Our uniqueness. We are unique in the sense that membership of this profession is not limited to accountant only. Before you become a member of this professional body, you must be chartered accountant, you must be a lawyer, a qualified lawyer, you must be a qualified criminologist or security expert and judicial officers, and all of them, among others that are desirous to become skilled in this unique practice of financial fraud prevention, detection, and investigation. This is because forensic and investigative audit involve litigation support
into law. As you are aware, the National Assembly cannot enact any law without involving the public. And this is one of the most important processes of lawmaking, without which we cannot actually make any law. Having said that, Mr. President, colleagues, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, the fourth array, permit me at this juncture to briefly dwell on the merits of those bills I mentioned earlier. Firstly, the Chartered Institute of Forensic and Investigative Auditors in Nigeria, Establishment etc. Bill 2018 SB 584. This bill was referred to this committee on Wednesday, 31st January 2018. The bill seeks to establish an institute to develop and train professional forensic and investigative auditors, internal and external, in Nigeria through a systematic professional examination and certification for a person to be skilled in the use of science and technology for fraud prevention, investigation, and detection. But due to the fact that the Institute is not backed by an act of the National Assembly, its qualified members are not allowed to practice in Nigeria. Thus, the passage of this bill is very, very